So this is the inbox Aviyel React demo that we created earlier. So this is the notification. Yeah. As you can see, I can directly see this hello Chatwoot was the message I sent earlier directly from the site. So if I now say hi and welcome to the live coding session. So if I would say saying welcome to the live coding session now is like responding to the user. So I get it almost immediately, if not immediately. Actually, there's another cool feature there that simulates if maybe the customer is typing, the admin gets to see it, that something is going on, or a new message is about to come in. So if the admin is also typing, the customer gets to see that a new message is about to the admin also see that a new message is about to get in. So this is it now. I sent this message and the user gets it almost immediately. Can respond to responding back also appears almost immediately. So this is how easy you can integrate your live chat, but it doesn't end there, because you might feel that what if in a case where I am not online, I'm logged in and I'm not online, and how will the conversation go on, or how will I get to know that there's a new notification? So aside from adding other staffs to respond to this kind of chat, you can also Chatwoot has a mobile app, a very simple mobile app where you can easily, after adding a staff, then if the staff has the mobile app, they get notification just like every other social media app notification, where they can respond directly to the customer. So while you as an admin or the super admin, you are sleeping, other staffs can respond. And while some of the staffs are not available, maybe they are offline, they are on shift, or they are on break, or they are on leave, any other person that is added to this particular inbox can get to reply. So so this is the pricing plan for it, where you can see for the hacker plan, which is free, which is $0, you have unlimited conversation. So you can get, and you can also have 10,000 page views per month, which is very, very okay. So if you wish to increase maybe the kind of activity you get here, there are also other activities you can get where you pay for $19, and you pay for $39, or you can request for a custom enterprise feature, which is way more big. So for a start, you can always make use of this, have unlimited conversation, have 10,000 page views per month. Then if you think you need to upgrade, you can always do that and upgrade. If you check the contact section, you can see the email the user entered earlier. It's there. So this is another way that you can directly import it here, or that you can directly import contacts here, where you can send maybe bulk message or something like that. So but if it's not imported, any user that gets to chat directly from the website, you have access to their email. So you can always even reach out to their email if their chat did not get to a page, or maybe their problem wasn't resolved during the time you had a chat with them. Maybe they went offline. You can always do a follow-up, which is a great way for reaching out to customers as a business owner. So this way, I think this shows us the process of integrating a Chatwoot application into our React. I get the live chat updates from my website on my mobile also. Yeah, sure. You can get that. When you make updates, I will assume you're saying probably a message, incoming message. So if it is incoming message, sure, you can get that. Chatwoot also have a mobile app where you can download. So once you download, you already have the business account, or maybe let me say the organization account. So you add agent. Agent is more or less like your staff. So when you add them, uh, you can now specify, okay, this website you assign this agent. So if it is HR related um, site, then you can assign the people from the HR department. So once you assign people from the HR department, they get to download the mobile app and they log in. Once they log in, they can get notification directly to any inboxes they have been added to. So it's just like while they are on the road, they can get to answer customers or create tickets for customers, complain and so on. So I don't know if that answers your question, Charu. Okay, Ankita said, I have recently started exploring React and I came across Angular JS. What's your take on Angular and React as being a React-based developer? Oh, okay. So, well, I would say when I started, of course, from JavaScript. So from JavaScript, you can actually navigate to any of these frameworks. So once you understand how JavaScript works, you can basically navigate. So I think I wouldn't say one is the best, but what I would say is that we have some, for example, React has a large community base. So in that case, you can get to see more solutions to problem. So which is one of the reasons why I love React. And also Vue is also growing. Angular is really growing fast also. So I think it's just preference and what the company has started using before you join them, or what they feel is suitable to solve that particular problem. Basically, they are all frameworks. Angular is even full-fledged framework, while React is a library. I would say they get to do more work handling your state management, doing your components. They also work in component way. So to me, I would say um, all the frameworks that we have, they are very great, but just depend on your preference. And also one thing you can do since you started exploring it, check your community, what it is like who do you have surrounding you? Are they Angular based developer? Are they React based developer? You can get to start from there. And one good thing is that you can always pick another framework and learn with. Just make sure that you have a solid foundation in JavaScript. And so that will help you a lot. So because if you wake up the next day, you realize that there's another new framework. So if you don't know the basic, you keep jumping up and down. So the basic matters. Then anytime a new framework comes in, you need to learn it, or you want to learn because to get a job, try and check what you have around your community, what is accessible. Then from there, you can easily learn it and also grow as fast as you can.